Quick updates for Tezos. Targets updates with my customer set. All right, guys, we come back again inside 27 block. The main idea with the Tezos, maybe that Tezos will follow the Zcash and the Dash. Maybe, because I don't know what's the point of that new meta. So the old tokens start pumping. So I guess maybe if this is just a really new narrative, the IOTA can pump, the XTZ can pump, maybe the Bitcoin Cash will pump. So who knows? But anyway, guys, this is a global zone of accumulation. So here, this is a top. You remember, this is absolutely the same chart. So what I posted in Zone 23. Highly recommend you go on free Telegram channel, type the XTZ, find the main bull run plan of this token, and you will understand the logic why we are here again. So, by the way, highly recommend you use the CryptoFly dashboard. This is how you can so fast double check the data with all 6 indicators, the metrics, what you need for decision, on different time frames. It can help you for investment. It can help you for even intraday trades. So all in one place. So now we're gonna come back inside 27 blocks. So this block relevant, it's 77 cents, and we can add 10 for XTZ. So just in case, even 2 zeros. So just be careful. I don't think so we're going to drop under the low of December 18. Here, by the way, how the COVID dump looks like. So we are way under the COVID dump low. The main targets still in play. I guess we can reach this cycle $7.35 if everything will be okay with the XTZ. I mean, everything okay. This token will be still exist on centralized exchanges, so exchanges will not delist this token, and everything will be good without hacks, without some issues. The team will be still working on the project because the Cardano, just everything was so good, and Cardano just one day they out of step back out of project and token dump, and the Binance and many other exchanges just decide to delist it. That's why, guys, never say never. I hope everything will be okay with the XTZ. Now we're in a great accumulation zone. It's up to you, accumulate or not. The crazy dump if we drop and sweep the low of November 18. This is, by the way, the global chart since on the Coinbase since October 2017. New all-time high. New high, and this cycle we can finish for example 620, 735 in the most positive case scenario, and in many other tokens charts, old one, you could find this pattern when we start build a downtrend, and maybe if the stock will survive the next bear market, I don't know, around here December 29. February 30, we could break this line. So just in theory. That's why, guys, now it's more than okay. Accumulate this token if you believe in all of this, all the new, not all new, just in all the tokens, just a new narrative for the old tokens. Now I don't know why, from where. This is an example of the correction of the week. So you remember I posted the education video about how to trade the weeks. When we leave some crazy weak candle, usually we can come back to close 50%. This was at 0.5 bounce and crash it down to almost 78. After that, if we not hold the line at this level, the road is open to basically 35 cents and a sweep of a low of 18. I hope it will not happen. Also, guys, take a look. Many times I showed you this example. So when we saw this downtrend, so this is impulse, correction, 0.5, done. Now we should hit the same story, the same levels with here. If it was a bottom, now we should bounce to at least 83.9. So just in case, guys, if it's already, we passed at the bottom in October 6th. This one, October 10, we could bounce to 0.5 level by FIB, 83 cents. And it will be not a mistake, withdraw initial deposit. So just in case. Next trouble area, guys, if we want to talk about the uptrend move, we need to break this structure, the high of November and December 2024. Until not, we just trade in some chop zone. So impulse correction. Impulse should be correction. Other impulse will be down, or we just go higher and break this high and this high? We can't know. Based on seasonality, I guess we can see the major altcoin season, but not all tokens will pump. That's why build a realistic price targets. For example, if it was a bottom here, the 0.5 followed by 50 is going to be 1,500% gains. From the COVID dump low, guys, we reached like 824. So this is for everyone who think every single cycle the altcoins skyrocket to the moon. Guys, take a look. You remember, if you've been here, you remember the COVID dump. It was the craziest time. We dump and token performed to the end of cycle only 825%. So why this time should be different? That's why 824%. It can be around here also, like $5. $5 can be the test of this hypothetical trend line. When, I don't know, maybe it's going to be here in April 26, May 26. I guess, yes, with the weak candle, we can like break this trend line. Everybody will open long position, everybody start buying because we will see it in the mood on the market, like sentiment. So it's only the beginning of the super cycle, but it will be the end. That's why, guys, this is the most positive case scenario. 472, 479, 620. If we cut all noise, guys, the picture looks not so much better. Here, this one, it's on a weekly. I don't know, maybe August here, September, something. So anyway, in any cases, guys, 620 looks like a magnet for the Tezos. So it's just my personal opinion, but we need to see some hype around the Tezos, because now nothing. That's why build the realistic price targets. Let's double check, guys, now with indicators. It is direction. We just now in the middle. Here was a crazy accumulation zone. Here's a crazy accumulation zone. Here's a accumulation zone. Here was distribution. Kind of so obvious, right? It was a time to sell. So if you use my custom indicator set, you could track everything by yourself. And here out of Tezos in December 24. Now we just under the middle line. It's not like crazy accumulation, not even close to distribution. Here was some accumulation pump. Now nothing. Monthly. Here was accumulation. And technically, yes, we formed a divergency here, because take a look, this is accumulation, this is divergency. Nice one. Monthly divergency. It's good. It's good. So once again, 31 cents. It's the next step if we not hold the line now here. So just in case, guys. Monthly on direction, nothing. Daily we are touch the accumulation zone. Direction, no data. I mean nothing. No, not bullish, not bearish. Here is market mode. Capitulation is good. Weekly is capitulation is good. So the last two times when we saw the capitulation is here. Pumps. Here's pumps. Here's pumps. Here's some accumulation, pumps. Got it. So now we're in the same condition like it was in April 75, June 75. How high we will pump, guys, I have no idea. Just nobody know that where and when. You build a plan and follow your plan. Once again, 53 cents if you believe in XTZ. So if you believe that this old token will pump and follow the Zcash and the Dash, you can buy $1.06. You withdraw initial deposit and sleep well. Pretty simple strategy, guys. Monthly, we're in the capitulation, so it's good. Time to sell will be when we will trade on the monthly, for example, or on the weekly in Aphria zone. Now we're in accumulation. Targets, guys, I showed you. Highly recommend you go and check the main bull run plan video what I posted 2 years ago. So this is just a quick update. Daily, here was a sell. June 75, we going down. Reject, by the way, till penny at 18 low by FIB, so it give us the information. So this FIB is relevant. We dump it to here was like 45 cents and 8 on the Coinbase, I would like to check with USDT on a Binance. So 45 and 8 take profit. So we need to close this short position. Here was a signal to buy. Bounce. Now no new signal to buy. 12 time frame, new signal to buy was yesterday. On 12 time frame, weekly buyback. Now nothing. Let's double check, by the way, on the really on Binance. On the Binance, the low was like 43.38. All right, not a big difference. It's nice. It's nice. And the last guy's indicator, it's two last indicators. Money power. Now nothing. Some money inflow was here. Tiny one. We bounce it. Reject. Now nothing. Weekly. Some money inflow was here before the bounce. Now also nothing. That's why it's kind of scary, because yes, we get a chance to drop 30%, for example, down. I hope not. Monthly looks extra bullish. Extra bullish, guys. Extra. Why? Because take a look. Since June 23, here, MACD bullish divergency, RSI bullish divergency, pump. RSI bullish divergency, pump. RSI and the MACD divergencies, pumps. And now we at the level of around June 23. So I hope we will see the next pump and money outflow like it was in April 21 and February 2020. So now technically it's not a time to sell. It's time to catch the knives. Daily, no money inflow yet. 12 time frames, some money inflow was here. This one, 2 candles. And we just see the tiny bounces. I guess soon we will see some extra news from the XTZ. Here's a test of the buy line on 12 time frame was. So once again, we can test the buy line on the daily. It's 46 and 9. For the value of the stock in 35 and 2, it's a sweep around the sweep with the week the low of 18. It's kind of mind blowing. Once again, I get an open question. What's the point of that project? You know, what they working on? If they're talking since 2017, like 6 years going down. So the value of the price of this token going down. So what's the point of that startup? I have no idea. So weekly time frame, we already dumped it here almost to the fundamental value. Now we trade in the middle. And the monthly, we underrated. This is why extra bullish, because believe it or not, but we will bounce, I guess sooner or later to test the take profit line. Where till that time when we're going to test this line? We will be, I don't know, because this line are dynamic. So maybe we're going to test that line in June 27. And the line can be potentially here like $1.57. We can't know. That's why now at the current moment it's $2.35. It's a take profit line, exit line $2.64. That's it. You can add alert, this one, price, take profit line. So when we touch this line, you will get notification. The yesterday, oh, I clean my lock. All right, so alerts. Here is a stop. This is a crossing. Oh, here. Oh no, it's active, still active. All right, I deleted. Log. Anyway, you will see the notification in the log on TradingView. So guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first video about XTZ. So we will understand the logic why we are here now. So these levels are not random, and you can track everything with my customer success. So if you would like to write, you can write me DM if you would like to use them. And don't forget, Joe Matecom Show. Everything totally for free. See you next time, guys.